Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jax here from Pristine Auto Lab, and today I'm going to be washing this truck. This truck has been ceramic coated with C6 Hydro literally 30 days ago. This vehicle was delivered on March 15. Today is April 16, and we're going to do a wash and see how the coating is performing. Forgot to give you guys a close-up before I start washing, but this is how it looks 30 days later. Sorry, I'm using my phone, but this is just to give you guys a brief idea. You got some bugs, but when I was rinsing, it came just right off. I knew this was going to happen. Look at this, guys. The coating is repelling the shampoo big time. Check this out. Isn't that amazing? Look at how it repels the shampoo. Crazy coating, guys. This is 6 Hydro. Look at here on the headlight. Again. To me, the water behavior is just ridiculous, but judge for yourself. Here it is. So the truck is sitting on an angle. So the front of the truck is leaning kind of upwards. So you might not see the water running, like shitting as fast as you would hope. But trust me, it is just ridiculous. Look at these water beads, guys. So let's check out the water behavior on the windshield. If you saw my video, I applied hydro glass on this windshield and also on the sunroof. Look at that, guys. Check this out. Ooh, that is ridiculous. All right, guys, so the truck is ready. It has been cleaned in and out. Now, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show the truck outside because I'm just not gonna ask my customer to drive the vehicle outside just for me to take videos and photos. So you will have to trust me on this one. And all I can say is that C6 Hydro is incredible. I am blown away, blown away. That's literally how I'm feeling about this coating because it is extremely slick. The glossiness also, just like day one. The self-cleaning properties, I mean, you see how it repelled the shampoo? It's just incredible. The water beading was so round, those beadings were so tight and so round that I almost felt like I could grab them off of the panel. So C6 Hydro is amazing, guys. I am very happy to be part of C6 family because it is a great product. Great product. So if you are a professional auto detailer and you're looking to become an authorized installer for C6 ceramics, I'm gonna leave all the information in this description down below so you can, reach out to them and see if you qualify. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to ask me down below as well. I'm gonna leave a link to the video where I coated this vehicle. All right, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.